You don't see those doubles very often. We've seen them. Can't scratch me or
I'm vlogging on my pig. I'm vlogging on my pig.
Give me a kiss.
What the heck? I got the kiss. We are flying to Norway. We're in the Delta Lounge right now. Coke, a black bean soup, watermelon, a brownie, some sort of chickpea concoction, and then a bunch of veggies. And then my parents got champagne because it's their 29th anniversary, wedding anniversary. I got a new bag for this trip from Kabu, and it has like a little brain on the top to hold everything in, which is perfect because I'm a chronic overpacker, so very excited. How's your soup? We got Comfort Plus. Thanks, Dad. He's sticking in his bag. Because Plus is better. Apparently. Comfort got minus. A travel kit, and also you have to do the unboxing of the travel kit. All right, you want to do Plus it? Travel kit. Pull tab. You got to talk. Oh, I know. I knew it. Toothbrush. Pussatennadina? Yeah. Is that right? Yep. Ha, cute, huh? Toothpaste. One of those. Eye mask. Oh, earplugs. Nice kit. I brought my own. And then we got, I actually brought this for everyone in our group because in Norway it's going to be so bright all night. Lights out. And then we got a upgraded blanket. I don't even know what that means. We can rip it open and find out. I did. It's like fleece. Fleece? Instead of static weird. Fleece. Earplugs. I got a mushroom pasta. I'm excited. Oh my god, the pasta's so
like the overhead compartments. All other smaller pieces of hand baggage should be placed under the seat.
We finally landed in Norway. Vi er I Norge, og my grandma, mormor, er her. She's here to pick us up. And we're going to the farm. But right now we're at the duty free because my dad said the prices are good here for wine. So we usually stop here to get bamsemam or Simon, which are like handy people. I don't know how to explain it. I'll show you. We met my grandma and now we're in her car and I'm eating some cashews. Ja? Say hi! Nei, ikke bilde, video! Oh no, she's gonna come kill me. This is what they think Americans eat. Oh, it's the American dinner. Guacamole cheese bites? What the fuck? That's crazy.
She was so grossed out, she made me peel them and like basically get the shrimp out of it. It tasted incredible, but she was so grossed out when they set that at the table. They were caught that day.
It's meant in okay, these are Simon. We couldn't find them at the duty free, but they have them here.
Kenzie, you get this one on your lap, I get the green one on my lap.
Okay.
Right? Okay, go. Mom had to shake a centipede out of it when she...
Ew! What the heck? It is the first full day in Norway. It's kind of windy right now. I hope that you can hear me. we're about to go to the gym. We just had a little egg and toast. I had some watermelon for breakfast, but usually in Norway people eat kind of like a charcuterie breakfast, so like cheese, meats, it's all like displayed in the middle, and then you like pull what you want, and usually there's like baskets of bread that have been just cooked. So I'll put in right now what it looks like, and maybe I might convince my dad to run a little bit. I have like half a day of work to do online today, and then I think we're gonna go down to the lake and swim and maybe grill, which will be fun. And that's my grandma. She's beating a rug right now. My grandma doesn't really understand why we want to go to the gym, and she was like, oh my gosh, we have so much space here. Why don't you go for a run? Why don't you run about? And my mom was like, oh, it's not the same thing as training. And she was like, why not? Just go hop around. It's so cute. My grandma's cat was at the neighbor's farm. He doesn't really like the car.
He crazy.
He is crazy. He clawed the heck out of me. And there's fur everywhere.
Keeping up?
Beeping.
Okay. And then we put it inside Avon's house.
Yep.
He looks in trouble. This is ridiculous.
I know. I don't care. Yeah, well, he can't scratch me or bite me. Little fucker.
Oh my god.
All right, open the door.
Yeah.
Ready, set, go.
Go.
Nope. He's trying to escape. Oh, there he goes. Okay, now we can go.
We're gonna make a Hugo Spritz. You need wine glasses. Saint Germain, Prosecco, soda water or tonic water. Yeah. You wanna learn how to make it?
Yeah.
Saint Germain.
Okay, so what is that? I don't even know.
1 ounce. It's an elderflower liqueur.
Elderflower liqueur. Okay.
So like probably that much, just an ounce. I'm eyeballing it, but it'll be fine.
Good bartenders do.
Well, I'm not a bartender, but.
Those are pretty spot on. Yeah, you a little bit more in that one. You might want to, yeah, okay. Just a splash. A little bit more, a little bit more. Bingo.
Okay.
That other one needs it more. Yep, perfect. That'll work.
Okay, then we do, can you open that?
Sure.
Thanks.
There you go. That's your favorite tree tonic one.
Tonic and Prosecco is equal, so we'll do
2, 3, 2, 3. Okay, a little splash on the far one that you just finished.
This one?
Yep. A little splash in the middle. Okay.
Okay. And then Prosecco.
1,
Boom.
2. There you go. 3. Tiny bit. Give them a hit. And the far end.
This
little
one?
hit. Nope, this one here. Yep, it's funny. You always give this the biggest hit, and these two are a little bit down.
Okay, well it needs more tonic than Prosecco, so that's what we'll finish it off with.
Okay. Now your grandmother will never drink all that.
You're gonna have a little sip, and she's gonna have a little sip, and
Hell yes.
who knows, it'll
all
be
good.
fine.
This is how you do it.
And then we garnish with a cucumber slice, so one second. These knives are very dull. Little cucumber?
Look at this.
What you putting in there?
Cucumber.
I don't know cucumber very much.
Just pull it up. It's all good. Give it to me. Put it in my mouth.
Okay.
Put it all up in my mouth.
Okay.
Whoa,
Why did you do that?
Look at him. Look at the little dummy. Packing for his life with his dumb
Yeah, he
head.
is.
Kenzie igen och med hälsning hennes välkomna.
Skål.
Vinnare som befolkar.
You had a cucumber in your mouth? A double rainbow.
There is?
And a Hugo.
Oh, there is a double.
Heck yeah. Yeah? Double rainbow, Dad.
Crazy.
Har dere
Right?
ikke sånn i Amerika?
Jo da.
Ja.
You don't see those doubles very often.
Ser ut som det regner fælt ute i Trøgstad.
So pretty.
Oh yeah? You want to try this? Hugo Spritz.
It's really good.
Noe alkohol, dette er det.
Ja?
Brent.
Dårlig erfaring til før, du.
Do it again. That was a good one. Embers. He said, what's the Embers number?
You made us mackerel.
Ja.
And oh my god.
We have Astrid and I.
I made a halloumi pita bread with hummus.
I think it needs to sit.
It's a car they can actually drive and not get fucked by the police.
Yeah. Yeah, right.
And I'm scared if I change the springs, I go to get it approved, they see something else wrong, and then I get.
I have so much energy. I don't know what to do with myself.
Excellent. Are you feeding?
Oh no.
It's perfect.
We are at basically my cousin's summer home in Halden, which is like a little beach town, and Sweden is literally right there, which is crazy. But we're gonna go on a boat, so I'm gonna put my swimsuit on and yeah. This is so crazy. Last time Johanna was here, she drew this little face. Well, who is he? Just some guy?
Yeah.
I'm gonna read now. Oh yeah. That's the We Were Liars, but the Norwegian version. And her headphones are dead.
And they're taped because I broke them.
Oh no!
And they're my dad's.
Oh yeah. I have headphones if you want to borrow them. Yeah, actually, yeah. Hold on. She has a water gun and we're gonna shoot my dad. He has no idea.
Oh, okay. It's more.
It's more.
No.
ASMR with Johanna. Oh yeah. Nice. Should I do one too?
Yeah, I can do it.
Oh yeah. Wait, really? That's pretty good. She's trying to hit the rocks. Oh yeah. Totally, you got it.
I can just shoot at this one.
Oh yeah, Oh! She sprayed me! We're at war.
I got the gun.
She does have the gun. Just kidding, we're not at war. Round 2 for the attack. Oh man, he's hiding behind the bush.
It's illegal to hurt children.
So true. We're gonna call Livy and tell her that Sweden is over there, because I did that the last time I was here. I just called Livy and said, look Livy, it's Sweden. Let's do it. I hope she's on her phone. All right, we're calling her. Livy didn't pick up, so we're gonna try Maddie. Oh yeah, we got her. Hello? What the heck? It didn't work. Dial assist. SIM card's failing me. Wow. How are they real?
You haven't seen them before?
No, I don't think so. Wow.
We gotta put our.
Ta! They're so cute.
Kan vi köra för det angriper oss eller?
How did you get out? Here, Mom. Step. Give me your hand. There you go. Yep. Nice. Haha. Solid ground. Cute. Yes. Oh, this is so pretty.
This at all. And
we're at a restaurant in the neighboring town. I'm in the bathroom. One of the ladies asked me a question really fast in Norwegian, and usually I feel like I can sort of kind of get by, but she spoke so fast I had no idea what she said, so I was like, ooh, unnskyld, jeg snakker litt norsk. I don't understand, like I only speak a little. And then she was like, ah, and now I feel kind of dumb, but it's just motivation to get better at learning and speaking Norwegian every day. So I made a pact with my mom that she can only speak Norwegian to me from now on, so I can get better.
They're fighting. Poor crabs. There's one there.
Oh yeah?
Check if it's a girl or a boy.
Okay. Oh no.
Skal jeg prøve? Ja. Da. Du kan bare plukke den opp og holde den.
Oh. Oh my god. Oh my god.
Let them out. Just like for a little experience.
Oh, for an experience. Crab City.
oh, I see.
Bye, crabs.
Is that a fresh one?
Nice. A Hugo Spritz.
The ears are big.
Brother?
I don't even know. What does that mean? No, it's a brand.
Oh, okay.
It's a brand. The meaning of it.
He said you guys want to run, and so we were talking.
Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Dinner is over, and now we're going back on the boat. Okay, we got back from Halden last night, and now we're at a parking lot meeting up with my mom's cousin and her kids, and we're gonna go into Oslo and go ziplining. But first we're stopping at a guitar shop. My mom's cousin's son plays guitar and he needs new strings, but my dad, obviously being in a band, is obsessed with guitar, so he's so excited to go.
Ja, dere veldig greie sånne. Skikkelig ålreit å komme hit, faktisk.
Ja, kult med dere.
Det det, så jeg har vært der noen ganger. Det han står der, så liksom gitarspiller.
That is the thing we're going to be ziplining later. That's so crazy.
He's like, oh yeah. That's all I'm saying.
I think it's an illusion.
Don't look down.
So to get to the jump, we have to go into this museum.
You make it here.
I'm gonna force my dad to go with me.
Fantastic, mine too. Awesome.
Oh yeah.
Start.
Yeah.
Okay. I feel like I'm not moving.
I don't think you are. The city is all the way down there, and we're gonna be ziplining up there.
Do you remember in Bergen going up? When you
On the red one?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah.
For free. Nice. Yeah, that's cool.
Do they get in each one?
Yeah.
Nice.
Nice. All right. It's only 30 seconds, right? How bad can it be?
Sit down on the bench.
My bad. Here we go. We picked everybody up at Fornebu and drove right here. Yep. Oh my gosh.
Yeah.
Very Norwegian to have a grass roof.
It's good for the environment too. On the zip line, one of the guys who was hooking me up was flirting with me, and I didn't know, and my dad had to tell me. Awkward, I don't like men.
Sometimes love is a dancer in the dark.
Did you see that? He flipped you off.
Who did?
The car in front of you.
No!
Yeah. Det var OK, men jeg skrøt litt bedre.
We're now at lunch. So exciting. Actually, it's probably dinner. It's the middle of the day. It's the middle of the day.
Oh my gosh, that's so cool.
My new obsession has been olives. You want an olive, Mom? Or you don't like them?
No, only if it's oil. Det har sånne...
Day is over. We're driving home, and hopefully I'm gonna be horizontal
Okay,
and not talking to anyone.
We're gonna
The rest
go
of the
back in
Okay.
a less curvy roadway,
Yeah.
and it takes 2 minutes more. But they're
That's
also
fine.
gonna stop in either Askim or Shan, either one, because they need to go to a grocery store.
Jeg skal spise litt rømmegrøt med smør og kanel og sukker. Ja? Ja?
Where you call me at 8:43? Oh, you thought I was.
Yep.
I see.
Look at it. Beep, beep, beep. Er det alltid?
Ja.
Ja. Hun er min norsklæremann. Oh, I didn't even show you. My bad. One sec. Nydelig. Yeah. Yummy. You have to do it with me. Oh yeah. You have to say it with me. Jeg måtte banan inn I øret. Mormor? Putt en møtebanan inn I øret.
Hva er det så for noe? Putt en moden banan I øret.
All she says, oh. Bruh. I tried my best. Where was my backup?
Through the back door of your heart.
The view outside their window is just
Every
so
time
stunning.
I
Like, are you
think
kidding?
of you, something happens in that
I got the statue lip stain, but I scared the crap out of my dad because it's so dark. But it won't be in like 2 seconds.
Yeah, even around here, you just gotta be careful.
Yeah.
Okay, ready? What happens when you press the belly button?
Ew. This is case in point why we don't bring dad cherries.
My little friend, what is going on? We had a lot of fun together, and then I'm going to eat you.
That's gross. Cherry.
Marpostai?
Sure.
Ooh.
Matpostai is almond pastry, and my dad and I love it. Is it your favorite?
Oh yeah, by far.
Yeah,
Your
definitely
mom
the
makes them
best.
for Christmas, and they're absolutely amazing.
Yeah, they are really good.
It's like a little pie crust, and it has the marzipan filling in it, and it's the size of maybe a cupcake. And oh my gosh, the top is crispy and crunchy, the inside is gooey and chewy, and then the crust is like a little pie. And I have never found anything better, bar none, any country. And with coffee, shut up.
I'll make a video making it sometime. It's like egg white. It's not the same as marzipan in the middle because it's the egg white filling, kind of like when Mr. Blitz makes those meringues.
Yes.
It starts the same way. You use 12 egg whites and then you mix in almond flour and sugar, and it makes very, very similar to marzipan.
Nice.
But this is baked, which is why they, well, I think you could probably eat raw egg whites here, but not in the US.
Yeah.
And then it's a pie crust. He's right. And it's also made with almond flour and then regular flour. You put the same on the top, like a little lattice top, so it looks just like a little baby pie.
Hey YouTube, you want to hear my band from Saturday? Listen.
He played at a fundraiser, a bicycle fundraiser for suicide prevention.
Yes.
Yep. Can't complain about the view either, huh?
Andrew and I are hanging out together in Stormberg. This place is called Oops.
On the, like the boat cruise and all that stuff, is that going to be too much bumping and really bad for your
Give me a kiss.
insides?
What the heck? Oh my god. We're in
Okay, so I wonder
Stormberg. Is that how you say
if
it?
we should do the other boat then.
Yeah. My sister is back in the US. She just got her appendix taken out. Oh, it's Walter. You want to say hi?
Hi.
She just got her appendix taken out
Yeah.
because she was sick. But now she's still gonna fly here, so.
Okay.
I just got a Stormberg bag that I'm hoping I can do. Oh, they're hug fighting. That hopefully I can wear for Lollapalooza. I'm hoping I can somehow shove my water backpack pouch in here, but we'll see. That lake is called Iron, and we are gonna swim in it. Oh my gosh, he has a bunch of the swamp. She said, is it your hair? He's washing some wine glasses, and there's a rainbow. Should we go look? The rainbow's gone?
Oh no, it's over there.
Oh yeah!
Isn't it cool how it comes out of the cloud?
Wait, yeah, that's kind of cool.
You like?
Very, very good.
Very good. Yes, Kenzie's specialty. We're gonna go find a place to eat some lunch if you want.
We're in an old city called Fredrikstad, and we're going to get something from a cafe, I think. I'm not sure where. It's very hot, but it's only an hour from the farm, which is good. I got falafel ball plates, and she got a waffle with ice cream. And they got some carbonade, which is like some sort of meat circle. Not a fan. Oh yeah.
Here we go.
You gotta hug him.
You gotta hug.
They went and bought some marpostei. You got a treat? Oh boy. Say? Marpostei. M-A-R-V.
Marpostei? Really? There's a V?
Kanskje smart.
Get stitches. We're elbow buddies.
Stop being weird.
Wanna wear my sunglasses?
No. Livy, Maddie, and Kelsey are finally in Norway. Yay! Yay! We're meeting everybody in Lillestrøm to go on a train to Oslo.
Okay, so we
That's what I was gonna ask. Why did you drive 40-ish minutes to get to somewhere to take a train?
I don't ask questions here, boy.
It don't make sense.
I don't know. Who knows? Oh, because we don't want to park in Oslo, so we're taking the
How
train
much
in.
is the train ticket?
I have no idea. Mom said it was 80 for all of us, like everybody. This is the station.
Okay, cool.
I'm embarrassing the hell out of them, but it's their first trip as an engaged couple. Oh wait, I didn't even get the rings. I was zooming in on your faces, sorry. Rings. Ooh. Ramen. Train time. Yeah, yeah. Yeah, yeah.
Sorry, I'm just tired.
You're okay.
Hold on, and throw it away when you...
Libby's trying to pawn all her trash off on Dad. He doesn't like it.
Usually he wants it.
Not today.
Usually he wants it.
You would have not cracked. One step. Okay, wait. Are you hey! I got 3. You got it. Oh! Try walking sideways on your feet. It kind of helps.
No. There, hold this. I'm done. I'm done.
So fast.
Hey, that kind of worked a little. Okay, this is gonna be bad. Oh yeah. Uh-oh. I got 4 steps.
Go, Mom.
Down
Go.
to the... Okay, skill. Ooh! That was like half.
Give it a try.
Alright, last one.
Nut. Hold on. Try again.
Not the nut.
Try again.
Before I shut down my camper so we can
Ooh! Okay.
for the circus.
Oh yeah! Oh yeah! Oh yeah. Nice. Looks yummy. Marsipanskake og kanelbolle. There's these wooden pigs at the park. Photo shoot. I got this gluten-free Napoleonskake from the gluten-free bakery on the corner there. It literally does not taste gluten-free. Best gluten-free dessert ever. Like 1100 out of 10. It does not taste gluten-free at all.
Alright, Pete.
I'm vlogging on my pig. I'm vlogging on my pig. It didn't did sound like a real pig. Bro, he just got on the, I was on a pig and he gets on it behind me and he was about to say something about riding a pig back.
I said skinkerute.
Hold chef, you little. Bye-bye. We're going to the culture museum or something. I'm gonna culture your museum. Oh, that's gross. Livy, that's really gross. Livy just said, I'm gonna culture your museum. Ew. If you saw us on the street in Norway, no you didn't. Look at them, engaged couple, aw. Romantic stroll, aw. Eating kanelbolle together, aw. Aw. Bro. It's the Fagmaster building and there's a gay flag. Ha ha. Oh no. Nice, Livy. What kind of government is it?
Parliamentary.
It's a monarchy, but the king is like,
Powerless.
he has to do signatures and stuff, but he doesn't really have any real power.
Well, it's like England, kind of in that way.
Like a constitutional monarchy, so like. Yeah.
Based having like virtually nibbled her ear.
Can't I just take one nice video of the lake? Stop.
I think.
We're all sitting by the water for lunch. I'm trying to be evil and convince them we need Hugo strips.
We already know that we need them, so like I don't see what the problem is.
Evil scheme. Wait, put up a hand. We have to scheme. We're scheming.
Ooh, they have
Teaching my dad some Norwegian. You got it. Go for it.
vi får mera van, vær så
Yeah,
snill.
it's been.
Ja?
I have the Olivia version.
Kjempefint.
Det er good.
Oh yeah, Happy Dance is out.
Focaccia and mozzarella and pesto and chicken.
Yummy.
Oh, did you think?
We're getting on the boat to go to the History Museum now. Look, it says Skibs as Big Dove. Bro, you can't. Hey, Liv. Hey. We're walking to the museum and this is where the bougie people live. This is actually so pretty though. Yeah. Like it's just so pretty.
I mean, we didn't have horses. My grandparents had horses and that's how they would get around. That's cool. Way back.
That's
It
pretty.
didn't look this fancy, but it was bigger.
Did you see the mural on the back?
No.
I mean, well, you can see the trees
Yeah.
along the edge of it, but then there's people.
Yeah. Wow.
Isn't that crazy?
Very ornate.
It's giving Twilight.
Andrew, did you see the sled that might... Most people didn't live like this, so this is the rich
No, they said it was the elite.
Yeah.
That's still cool.
Yeah.
The baby spoon.
Kenzie, she collected things from all over the world.
I know, isn't that cool?
Spooky. It's like stepping into their home. The angels on the wall. Okay.
You just lick it?
Yeah, Kelsey's first time having chocoladeis.
Yeah, that's interesting.
Right?
It's like...
Oh wow, Maddie. We just made it home from Oslo and I am sunburnt and tired and that ice cream really hurt my stomach. So I am gonna figure out how to fucking pack. So I leave tomorrow. The rest of my family is still here, but I leave tomorrow to fly home for literally like not even a full day. I think I get in at like 10:30 that night, and then at like 11 the next morning I'm driving to another location in Michigan to go meet up with my friend Casey, and then we're gonna drive to our other friend Rachel's house to all go to Chicago together for Lollapalooza. So excited, but also so fucking tired, and I'm literally gonna die, and I have so much to pack. My grandma found Easter candies she sent me in the mail for actual Easter. So me and my roommate were eating them up. They were gone so fast, but they're my favorite candy, and they only have them around Easter, but she saved me a bag. I need to get my shit together, and I love ya, and I hope you had a great time watching my Norway vlog, and yeah, bye.
Bye.